Alright, this video is just me putting the oil cooler. So I replaced all that stock 2J oil cooler, replaced all that, I removed the cooler hose that goes around the engine. I blocked off that that feed on that water pump, and then I blocked off the other one. I think is the return, the one you saw, the one you guys seeing right now. I think that's that return. So I blocked that off, blocked the one on the other side, blocked everything off, and just went straight aftermarket oil cooler. That's an eBay oil cooler, so I don't think you need high brand for oil coolers and all that. So that should be working pretty good. So it has the oil filter already, so I went and got an oil filter for it. It's not in the video, but I'll put it up in all the videos explaining the part names and brand and all the other stuff for the videos before. But this one is about the oil cool, and then we'll see what the next one will be about. I think is I'm gonna upload the drift motion drive-by wire delete kit, because I did my drive-by cable because I didn't want that electronic throttle body. But this one is about the oil cooler. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright, so had to get this pipe plug for this. So this is the cooling feed for the oil cooler. I mean the return. Now I'll tie that up. So tied up, I'll finish this up and put the gasket over here and finish with all that up.